This is a seed flag. What do you mean by that? A flag with the seeds in it? Yes, absolutely correct. Every Independence Day, millions of paper and plastic flags end up on roads as a garbage. Even if you don't want that to happen, we just can't stop it. We don't stop celebrating national festivals, we don't stop using flags. I'm not saying that stop using national flags and stop celebrating. Just think of it. You celebrated national festival and you use the flag, and where the flag goes. You don't have any idea of where the flag goes after you used it. Let's say you keep that in a pocket and take it to home, or keep it in a bookshelf. For how long you will keep that? Very few will do this, but many of us don't. On an average, in India, kids use at least 10 flags in their lifetime. Where those 10 flags go? They don't even have an idea. Does the flag deserve that? I don't think so. It disrespects our national flag and increases paper and plastic garbage on this planet. What if there is a solution to solve all the problems? This is a seed flag that has seeds in it. Just after your celebrations, you can safely dispose it in private so the flag turns into a tree. This flag is completely made out of paper and has seeds in it. Just after your use, you can put that in a pot and it grows into a plant. This is like a gift to our planet. Every Independence Day, gift a plant to this planet. This seed flag can be a perfect replacement for all the problems with those conventional flags. Many companies are making these seed flags. You can buy them on Amazon, or you can make your own seed flag. I made a complete tutorial on how to make your own seed flag with recycled paper, and watch that video. The concept of seed flag is very old, but very few of us know about it. So let's spread this awareness and let's protect the dignity of the flag and gift a plant to Mother Earth every Independence Day. Share this video with your friends and family. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.